In this video, we'll learn how to take body measurements for boys Indo-Western. To take measurements of your boy's sherwani or Indo-Western shoulders, place the measuring tape on the tip of one side of the shoulder and draw it to the other side to measure this. To take the measurement of your sleeve length, place the tape on the tip of your shoulder and draw it to your wristline where you want the desired length. To take the measurement of your sherwani chest, draw the measuring tape around your chest area like this to measure this. To take the measurement of your stomach area, draw the measuring tape around it like this, wrap it around your stomach area to measure this. To measure around your hips, all you have to do is take the measuring tape around your hip level to measure this. To measure your sherwani top length, place the tape on the midsection of your shoulder and bring it down till the required length of your sherwani. To take the measurement of your bottom length, place the tape on your low waistline from where you'll wear your bottom and bring it downwards straight to the required length of your bottom.